Thank you very much, the Minister and the President Noriko. So I will request.
Okay.
I now invite you. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Make sure this doesn't dry.
这个将会长成参天大树。队长，专家出来这里。
Photographer ready.
Thank you.
Of our Anfo line, and after that,
Okay.
we are now going to head straight into the control room.
Norinco and Ruero Industries have a very, very long history. As you know, in 1989, Norinco started the construction of Ruero Industries, which was completed and commissioned by His Excellency the President in 1994. Since then, we've been working together closely, and indeed, it is Norinco which was responsible for the upgrade of the factory a few years ago. Today here we are having a groundbreaking of the UAV assembly, testing, maintenance, and training center. Honorable Minister, a decade plus, when I was still in the staff college, they used to tell us that UAVs are a weapon of the future. Now the future is here, because you cannot talk of any battle without the use of UAVs. So we are now in the future, and therefore I wish to thank Norinco for helping us to build the capacity and to prepare us to this future. We believe that the equipment we shall make here, we shall assemble, will be used for many results, for many applications, surveillance, reconnaissance, even in combat. I'm happy that we are also going to train our own personnel here, so that immediately they have set up this facility, it will be our own people of the UPDF, maybe from Air Force, who will be responsible for this entire project. So I thank them for agreeing to transfer the technology and skills to our people. Honorable Minister, sir, a country cannot guarantee its security without some level of self-reliance. We need this reliance in the area of defense. And this can only be achieved by developing a strong defense industrial base. Honorable Minister, we cannot have a strong defense industrial base without research, without innovation. This is the heart of any industry. Research and development is the heart of any industry. So by setting up this Innovation and Research Center, Norinco is helping us to build our defense industrial base, and therefore, in a way, promoting the defense, our defense industrial sovereignty. Maybe to add, Honorable Minister, that there are very few countries in the world which are willing to share some of these capabilities. Very, very few in the country share and transfer their military technology. And therefore, I wish to seize this occasion to salute Norinco and the Republic of China for this great support. We shall be working closely here, our people from Ruero Industries and experts from China, and we'll be carrying out these innovations and research at this very center.
First of all, I want to thank the Honorable Minister for finding time to come and preside over these three occasions of groundbreaking of the UAV assembly, testing, maintenance and training center, commissioning the unique, that one, and commissioning the one we are about to see, the Anfo, that is the ammonium nitrate fuel oils line under Choga Dynamics. As we commission these three facilities today, it is clear, first of all, also a manifestation that Uganda and China are confident of the peace and the stability here. Otherwise, nobody would want to put these things here when he knows tomorrow he's going to leave them. These facilities also come at a time when we are very firm in His Excellency's usual guidance on the workability of the doctrine of tripartite, that any genuine assistance must seek to build internal capacity. These people who come around pretending that they are coming to help us without helping us to build internal capacity. Chunguza vizuri. So our friends here, you can see that what they are doing, they are going to help us build capacity. We at Choga Dynamics, we shall now be having a line fully automated, and so having such in the hands of everybody is very dangerous. The capacity they are helping us build today, as you will go to see, helps us control these possible materials for terrorism. It can be used for terrorism. So at this juncture, I would like to thank General Mujira on the new bill on explosives, which gives us this mandate. It is very, very important to remember that defense industry is always a critical part of the broader national industrial base. And therefore, the growth of Uganda's defense industry manufacturing capabilities will have spillover effects and benefits for the broader national economy. So through Honorable Minister, we shall keep requesting that defense industry is maintained as a sacrosanct pillar for Uganda's development in our path to achieve Vision 2040. We must therefore thank our President for his strategic vision of self-reliance and other related guidance he always gives us to build a strong national security apparatus.
贵宾30年的合作已经让我们双方成为共同成长、并肩前行的战友。北方公司非常荣幸能够成为这座无人机车间的贡献者。 和建设者。我坚信这一合作将能有效地提升乌干达军队作战的能力，创造社会价值，带动经济发展，提升国际影响力。我们期待能够共同将其打造成为撒哈拉以南非洲的无人机产业中心。
Distinguished guests, over 30 years of cooperation has made us comrades who have grown together and marched forward side by side. Norinco is honored to be a contributor and builder of this UAV workshop. I firmly believe that this cooperation will effectively enhance Uganda's military capabilities, create social values, drive economic development, and elevate Uganda's international influence. We look forward to jointly building it into the UAV industry hub of sub-Saharan Africa. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We have been able to launch 3 very important components. One of them is where we are going to manufacture drones, assemble drones, service drones, and even be able to upgrade drones. Drones is a new innovation in modern warfare. You cannot do away with it now, but having it is safer to produce it in your own house than buying it out there. But we are also going to produce civilian-related drones. It's not only military drones, but also civilian-related drones, where you can use drones in the civil works, like civil service, civil like agriculture, mapping, soil mapping systems. These drones will be produced from here. So that is one component. The second component has been Research and Development and Innovation Center. When you sit and wait for others to do it for you, it becomes a bit expensive and very difficult. Sometimes people don't want to part with their knowledge. So you have to really build your capacity to be able to do research and innovate on things that you really need. So in our military systems, there is a lot of science and so many things. There is a lot of change all the time in science and technology. So we need researchers and innovators in our system. And we have launched the Science, Research and Innovation Center. And the other part that we have that is very important is we have also launched the new line where we produce explosives, and that new line is going to produce 900 tons per month. So that is it's bigger than what we had, and we, as you know, Uganda has got a lot of the quality of our product, explosives, is very good. It has been accepted all over, internationally and even regionally. So we have already 8 countries buying from us, despite the international competition. Still, so we have now launched a new line. Thanks goes to Choga Dynamics and the National Enterprises Corporation, NEC. So we are moving on well, and we are following the directives of the President to make sure that we modernize our systems, and also we modernize the army, and we also support the economy as UPDF and the defense.